Hey guys, this is Priyanka here. I'm a student of MMA Academy. I joined in the first week of January, and from then I gained a number of marketing skills such as Instagram marketing, FB ads, messenger bots, funnels, email marketing, and so on. Earlier, I was working as a blogger and an Android developer, but with time, I realized that I need to crack some high paying clients and I have to, widen up my skill set. This is why I joined MMA course, and within 2.5 months, I cracked two clients, and I'm in the way to crack my third client, and it will be a very high paying client. So I'm quite excited. This course teaches you not only to gain skills, but this course teaches you how to approach the high ticket clients, how you can get the amount of money that you deserve for your services. So this is the course I would definitely recommend to you.